Blizzard conditions are hitting Atlantic Canada right now. Travel is extremely dangerous in parts of Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, and southern New Brunswick. A powerful low-pressure system tracking along the east coast is pulling in Atlantic moisture while cold air remains locked in place. That setup is producing heavy snow and strong northeast winds. St. John's is seeing another 10 to 15 centimeters on top of last week's 50+. Winds are gusting 80 to 100 kilometers per hour. Halifax is expecting 15 to 25 centimeters with gusts near 70. Southern New Brunswick could see up to 30 centimeters. Whiteout conditions and blowing snow will continue through today before gradually easing tonight. Avoid non-essential travel and monitor official alerts. Stay weather aware. Don't miss the next update. Tap like and hit subscribe.